Hey guys, welcome back to another video at More at Homestead. Before we begin today, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I think we finally narrowed it down to a name for this old ram here. It was the most popular name, for sure. Lindy liked it, the kids liked it. So I think we're gonna go with it. We're gonna come here and do a little feeding. And then I got that hot tub draining, and I think I may be able to get it going. Once it gets empty enough, I'm gonna drag it into the shop and try using an actual outlet, because that cord on that pump is so big around. It's got a big diameter. I don't think that little extension cord's getting enough juice to it. So I'm going to try plugging it directly into an outlet and seeing if that works. And then I also got a surprise for Halle at Walmart, and Hunter and I is going to try to put it together today. So let's go check out these animals, and then later on we'll let you know the name. Real quick, Hunter wants to show you Bagheera. Bagheera.
Panther.
It's Bagheera.
Panther.
What do you think of him?
It's my kitty.
Is that your favorite kitty?
Yeah.
I think he likes you a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
No, he likes me better than you.
What? Oh, Bagheera.
I need to put him away where the dog's not at.
All right, now let's get started. Little. Be good. Be good. Hey. Pewdiepie. Pewdiepie.
Am I on it?
Yeah. Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, down my toe. So, this little guy, come here, Hunter. What's his name?
Ram?
What's his name? What did we come up with?
Rammy?
No.
I forgot.
What's my name?
Theo?
What's my name?
Bo?
Now what kind of animal is that?
Ram?
Put them together.
Bo Ram?
no, sorry, that was my fault. Okay, what kind of animal is this?
Ram?
What's my name?
Bo?
Now put them together.
Rambo?
Rambo. Bo Ram?
Ram?
Yeah, Rambo. So Rambo's the name. What you got, buddy?
A Branny.
Got a little Branny?
He's soft.
Yeah.
There's one of those right here.
Yep. All right, put them down. Let them get a drink. See if you can catch one of those big old turkeys.
No.
Why not?
I'll catch a chicken.
I bet. The big chickens are easy. They let you catch them.
The Brannies don't usually.
I bet you can't catch one of them turkeys. You're scared, aren't you?
What am I talking?
You scared of them a little bit? Hunter, look at me. You scared of them a little bit?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. You're not scared of Rambo though anymore, are you?
Mm.
Was he a little scary at first?
Yeah. But those horns, his horns are creepy.
His horns are creepy?
And I go, woo!
Alright, Hunter. You ready to go check on that hot tub and see if we can get the motor working?
Yeah.
Then what are we going to put together? What do we get you and Sissy at Walmart?
Basketball goal.
You excited?
Yep.
You going to be able to make any hoops?
Probably.
Probably.
If Daddy will do it down for me.
Alrighty, well, I made it back over here. You can see it is pretty well empty. But the dadgum drain keeps closing. The way it opens this way. And when the water's flowing from behind it, trying to flow out, it pushes it down. So, what are you doing?
Back.
You're back? You finally decided to come help? Huh?
Yeah. Bird. I can't breathe with this thing. Close one.
Alrighty, I got this power cord here. Whoa! I got this power cord here. I got the pump setting out. I'm going to see if it'll start. It may have some kind of safety device in it where it won't start unless there's water going through it. But if it gives me a different error code, that'll be fine. As long as I don't get the E03 code, that's the code I'm trying to figure out how to not get anymore. So let's see. Got it. That's what it was. So pretty much all it was that extension cord wasn't big enough to carry the load I needed to run this pump properly. What do you think about that?
Yes.
So now I just got to see where I want this hot tub at. I don't really want to put it in the middle of my shop to where I don't want to put it in the middle of the shop where I won't be able to get my boat in and out. Maybe we can put it on the back porch. Put it on the back porch?
Because you don't want to put it in the shop. Why not?
But that's the good news. I'll show you real quick. No EO3. It's actually running. So, cool.
Nobody these things.
There we go.
Right, these things can't eat.
These things are super hot.
I say that word that you said, Daddy. Say that word that I said in the truck.
What word?
Remember?
What? So, Hunter, I like these things. Like, I don't do spicy foods. As you see in our last video, Lindy said I'm super picky. That is a correct statement. But for some reason, I really like these. The flavoring's real good. These Flamin' Hot Chester fries. And I was in the truck eating them on the way home, and Hunter's like, "Why do you keep eating them if they're hot?" And I said, "'Cause I'm dumb." And he thought that was so funny.
Yeah, he's dumb.
He said, "I'm going to tell Mommy you're dumb." I said, "Easy, boy."
Yeah, he is dumb.
So, they're just so good.
It's so hot.
I think I'll eat one.
Do it.
Mmm. Woo!
Hot, huh?
You want one?
No.
Why not?
You forgot to give me that $1, remember?
Yeah, so on the way home, I said, "I'll give you $1 if you eat one. You eat the whole thing all at once, chew it up and swallow it, and don't get a drink for 30 seconds. He did it. But he was like, "Has it been 30 seconds yet?" I got something that's going to make one little girl really happy. Let me show you. So she's been wanting a basketball goal for quite some time, and we've been waiting, trying to find a good deal on a big one, a real nice one, but we just couldn't. And I seen this one at Walmart for $64, so rather cheap. Not gonna be like our full-time forever basketball goal, but I got it. I'm gonna try to get it put up while she's at school today and see what her reaction is when she comes home. So without further ado, we got a lot of work to do, so let's get started. All right, lift that side up. All righty, we got the backboard right here.
Where's the hoop at?
What is that?
Instructions.
That's the instructions, but guess what? We're men. Men don't read instructions. Ain't that right, women? That's funny. What's this?
Basketball.
It's the rim. That's the hardware.
Is this where we shoot it at?
Yep, that's where we shoot it at. What's these guys? What's this? We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
This is so cool. Scary. But not for me.
Whoa, what are you doing, Bucko?
Daddy, remember
Oh, this.
remember Pewdiepie?
This is gonna be easy.
Remember when Pewdiepie put
So easy. Alright. I think we'll go ahead and use them instructions.
I said men don't use instructions.
Well, let's just take a little look at it, okay?
But we don't actually need it. Men don't know.
I just need to know what everything is, and then I'll know how it goes. Alright, let's see if you can make it. Oh, almost made first shot on the new goal.
Oh.
Rats.
Huh?
My turn.
Well, too easy for you.
Good job, bud. Woo!
2 points for first aid, 1 point for the dagger.
What?
Oh, your turn.
Your turn. I want to see it go in. I want to see it go in. Oh, nothing but the net. All right. You gonna guard me? Let's go, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh.
First aid ball.
All right, here we go.
Oh, that's cheating.
Hey, gotta keep your hand out. Protect it. Protect it. There we go. Make a move. Make a move. Make a move. There we go. Shoot it. Oh, he got it. My ball. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. All right, your ball. Hey, switch your hand. Put your hand out. Put it up strong. Put it up strong. Put it up strong. Oh.
How did you dunk it?
It's not that high. Alrighty, y'all. Well, I'm on the back porch here. I got the hot tub set up, the pump hooked back up. It is filling up with water. Hopefully in the next half hour or so we'll be able to kick this pump on and see if it's going to work. Fingers crossed. So we'll see you guys in about 30 minutes and then we'll try it out. Alrighty guys, I don't know if you can hear it behind me, but the pump's working. It took a few times. It kept faulting out on me, giving me an error. But I believe it was just trying to get water through the pump, and it kept kicking out because it didn't have any water in the pump. Once I finally got it circulated through, it started pumping. I got it set on 92 degrees right now. And I went ahead and started it right when the water got just over the filter, so that as it's filling up, it can be circulating warm water in there, so it won't take as long to heat up, hopefully. So it's still a few hours for the kids to get home from school, but probably after church tonight they'll want to jump in it for a little bit if it's warmed up, and who knows, I might climb in there as well. So alrighty, well, you got to see, we finally got this pump together. We got the basketball goal up. Kids are so, Halle was so excited she came home. She made me something at school today. She said, "Daddy, I made you something." I said, "I made you something too." She said, "What?" Because Lindy made her cover her eyes pulling up in the driveway. So I walked her behind the Tahoe and showed her the shop, and she just freaked smooth out. So she threw me her backpack and all that stuff and took off running and picked up the basketball and started shooting. So that was a success. So I got the hot tub and got the basketball goal up yesterday. Actually, I'm closing out this video the next day. So yeah. Also, I went out, came home earlier from town, and Pewdiepie had escaped. He was actually in the woods back here behind the house. I didn't grab the camera. I was worried about just getting him in. So the person I got him off of they said a lot worse setup than me. Like their pin was just falling apart, holes everywhere, and they never got out, allegedly. So I don't know if I got set up on this Pewdiepie deal or what, but he was out. And it was right there in that spot where I had to skip a T-post because there's too many rocks. So what I think I'm going to do this weekend, I'm going to get a couple cement blocks, probably just one, put a T-post in the middle and pour ready mix inside there and just make a base and slide it up next to the pin and try to attach that fence to it right there, just so there's something there where they can't just push over it. I haven't had a problem until now, but that's probably what I'm going to have to end up doing. But anyways, that'll be another video. So if you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you guys haven't subscribed to More at Homestead yet, please subscribe and ring that notification bell. Alright guys, that's all we got. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.